Teledyne LeCroy is the first oscilloscope provider to market with a 1000 amp AC plus DC current probe with high bandwidth, the CP1000. This probe measures up to 1000 amp RMS or 1400 amp peak and 1.5 megahertz of bandwidth. This performance is essential for measuring currents in high power systems along with its associated harmonics. Its large 33mm aperture and split core design can easily fit around 1 kV rated insulated power cables. Its long 6-meter cable enables safe, flexible placement of the oscilloscope far from the dot. And its split core design allows convenient clamping around existing test setups without disconnecting the test setup. Teledyne LeCroy's CP1000 has 15 to 75 times the bandwidth of comparably rated probes. It's rated for DC to 1.5 MHz operation with 1% accuracy. This performance is essential for harmonic analysis and power conversion debug. Whether you're working on motor drives, traction inverters, or other industrial power converters, this probe delivers the performance, safety, and convenience needed for high power design and debug. For more information, follow the URL shown.